For marketers working in the pharma and healthcare industry, having a good understanding of the customer journey is essential. But with so many touch points to monitor and the growing influence that patients are having on customer behavior, it can all feel a bit overwhelming. This is where customer and patient journey mapping can help. In Customer and Patient Journey Mapping Essentials for Marketing, we explore each step in the journey mapping process, the role of the patient, and the data you'll need to both create these maps and measure your success. Then, in Customer and Patient Journey Mapping Strategy for Marketing, we explore the vital role that segmentation plays when targeting customers, how to achieve a single customer view, and the importance of attribution modeling. Finally, in Customer and Patient Journey Mapping Best Practice for Marketing, we discover how technology is changing the game and discuss the importance of embracing the digital revolution so that you can deliver the right content to the right customer at the right time. Interested? Then join us to find out more.